Hi, I'm Sierra Taylor reporting for The Eye of the Storm, and here I am in the entrance to the new darkroom of our photography room. And I'm here to take you on a virtual tour of the new Arts and Jensen Family Humanities wing. Follow me. And follow me up the stairs as I take you out to our new middle school art classrooms. And here we are in one of the first of many of the new art classrooms in the main building this year. It's really great to have our art classrooms here in the main building rather than all the way across campus in the art house. And here I am in front of the design lab. It's a great place to work on collaboration and design thinking with your friends. And here we are about to enter the Wyckoff family black box. Notice the seamless transition from the old building to the new wing. Now follow me as we head into the commons. And here we are about to enter the commons. Notice the new booths and couches for both upper school and middle school students to lounge and have fun with their friends. Now follow me as we head upstairs into the lobby. And here we are in the lobby, and now we're about to enter the science wing. Be sure to keep quiet as classes are in session. Notice the unchanged science office and science classrooms. And also the fishbowl, which is also a nice place for students to get their work done quietly. And now we're about to enter the Jensen Family Humanities wing. Here is the first of many of our brand new classrooms. Notice the Harkness table for students to engage in collaborative discussion. Okay, and here we are at one of the many breakout spaces in the new wing. Notice the whiteboards for students to work out any problems that they have right outside of our classrooms. And here is our brand new beautiful English office. Notice the sign up for coffee house. Don't forget to do that. And here we are in our brand new art gallery for both students and faculty to show off their artwork. The theme for this gallery is Old Friends, revisiting artwork by former students. And here we are in the first floor of our brand new library. Hello. And we're joined by Mrs. Nelson, our favorite librarian. And this floor of the library is a little bit more loud because it's right near the cafe, so students can work together and have discussions. Now here is our ESS, Educational Support Services. Notice it's bigger than the old one where students can get their work done and get the help that they need. And look at our amazing gallery of books. We love to read. And now join me as we enter the kind of loud cafe. This new cafe is perfect for students, upper school students only, to get the snacks that they want with their new ID cards. It's much easier and more innovative than the system we had before, so the students can just take out their card and buy whatever they want with it. Oh, and here are a group of juniors. Hello, guys. How are you doing? I am joined with Nick, Alexa, and Will. They're all juniors, and they're gonna tell us what their favorite new space in the new wing is.
The cafe.
The cafe.
I agree, the cafe.
Yeah, I have to agree.
Well, I think we've come to a general consensus that the cafe is everyone's favorite spot. Now join me as we head into the second floor of the library. And here's the second floor of our library. Notice how this part of the library is much quieter as it's not near the cafe, where students can get their work done that they need in a more quiet environment. And here we are at our new upper school art classrooms. Like I said before, it's much better having them here in the main building than all the way in the art house. And here is our history office where all of our lovely history teachers stay. And here we are at one of our first history classrooms, which is also used as a physics classroom by our very own Dr. Warner. Notice the windows on the other side of the classroom. You can get a lovely view of our new Alumni Plaza, where sports such as field hockey and softball can practice. And here is another window to our beautiful art room. And yet again, another breakout space. Notice the whiteboards and the lovely view of our Alumni Plaza. And would you look at that? Look at this nice seamless transition in between our new wing and our old building. Be careful of the aquatic wildlife around us. As you see, there are some sharks. Oh, and hello. I'm joined here by sophomore Catherine. What is your favorite space in the new wing?
I would have to say like over there. Yeah, because it's really quiet and it's a great place to work.
I totally agree. Thank you. And join me as we head back down the stairs into the lobby. And now we are back in the lobby. Notice our brand new and lovely admissions office with the big windows where we can see exactly what our admissions officers are up to. And now follow me as we enter into the math lab. So here we are at the window of the math lab. Not much has changed in the math wing, but this lovely new math lab where students can come and get extra help from teachers. Now follow me as we head back into the lobby to conclude our virtual tour. Okay, and that concludes our virtual tour of the Art and Jensen Family Humanities Wing. I'm Sierra reporting for Eye of the Storm. Hope you enjoyed. Go Storm!